This video explains the difference between a flat Ethernet cable and a round Ethernet cable. Ethernet cables carry internet signals between devices like computers, routers, and modems. They come in two main shapes, flat and round. Both do the same job, but they have different advantages depending on where you use them. Round cables look like traditional cords you see everywhere. They are thicker and bulkier than flat cables. Inside, the wires are arranged in a circle, which gives them their round shape. Think of a round cable like a regular garden hose. It's sturdy and can handle rough treatment. Round cables work well in open spaces where you need durability and don't mind the extra space they take up. Flat cables are thin and ribbon-like, almost like a pancake compared to a round cord. The wires inside are arranged side by side instead of in a circle. Imagine a flat cable as a thin strip of leather instead of thick rope. These cables fit easily into tight spaces, like under carpets, along baseboards, or around door frames. They are perfect for keeping your room looking neat and organized. Here are the key differences between a flat Ethernet cable and a round Ethernet cable. Round cables are more durable and flexible, making them ideal for frequently moved areas or rough environments. They resist damage better when bent or stepped on. Flat cables, on the other hand, save space and look cleaner, but they can be damaged more easily if you step on them repeatedly or bend them sharply. Round cables also manage heat better because air can flow around them more easily. So, which cable should you choose? If you're setting up a permanent installation where you want everything to look neat, choose flat cables. They work great for running along walls or under furniture. If you need something tough that won't break easily, use round cables. They're better for areas with high foot traffic or where the cable might get pulled and twisted. The bottom line? Both cable types carry the same internet speed. The choice depends on your space and needs. Flat cables are like choosing a slim wallet, while round cables are like choosing a traditional one. They have different styles, but the same purpose.
Simply click the link below to learn more.